gentlemen, we are from Group 1. First of all, let me introduce my team members. With me, Intan Susanti as Speaker 1, Hoirun Naranisa Sapitri as Speaker 2, Dina Agnia Adriana as Speaker 3, Vienna Dwi Cahya as Speaker 4, and the last speaker is Aska Safira Rahayu. And our Honorable Lecturer, Mr. Karta Atmaja. Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to share a brief story about a singer, songwriter, king of pop, and who popularized the moonwalk dance. He is Michael Jackson. Our presentation will cover 3 main points. For the first is a biography of Michael Jackson's childhood. The second is a Michael Jackson career journey. And the third is a Michael Jackson marriage and death. This presentation will be concise and short last approximately 10 minutes. Thank you for this opportunity to present to you today. I hope you find this presentation interesting. I now invite Irun to continue with the presentation. Irun, this is yours.
Thank you for sharing that information, and now I would like to talk about Michael Jackson's childhood. Jackson was born on August 29, 1958 in Gary, Indiana, USA. He was the seventh of 9 children born to Joseph Jackson, a steel mill worker, and Kathleen Jackson, a devout Jehovah's Witness. Jackson exhibiting a musical talent from a young age, performing for his classmates and others during Christmas show at the age of 5. In 1964, Jackson and his brother Marlon joined the Jackson Brothers, a band formed by his siblings Jackie, Tito, and Germany, as backing musicians, playing the conga and tambourine. During his childhood, Jackson endured physical and emotional abuse from his father. He was consequently scolded, whipped, and verbally abused. The abuse Jackson suffered as a child had a profound impact on him throughout his life. Jackson first spoke publicly about the abuse he experienced as a child in 1993 interview with Oprah Winfrey. He revealed that he often cried from loneliness and would sometimes fall ill at the sight of his father. Further about career will be explained by my friend. Thank you.
Now I would like to talk about Michael Jackson's career. Jackson began performing with his 4 brothers in the pop group Jackson 5 when he was just a child. The group scored its first #1 single in 1969 with "I Want You Back" by age 11. Jackson was performing on TV, and by age 14 he had released his first solo album. The Jackson 5 were formed with 6 years old. Michael as the lead vocalist due to his powerful and charismatic voice. His accolades include several Guinness World Records, including Thriller, the Best World Best-Selling Album at 13 Grammy Awards. Moonwalk or backslide is popping dance move in which the performers slide backwards but their body movement suggests forward motion. Became popular worldwide when Michael Jackson performed the movie during Billie Jean's performance on Motown 25. Yesterday, Today, Forever, which was broadcast in 1930, Jackson has been credited with ramming the backslide to the moonwalk and become his signature move.
After marriage Michael Jackson. His first marriage was to Lisa Marie Presley in May 26, 1994 at the age of 34, but they divorced in 1996. His second marriage was to a nursing assistant. Her name is Debbie Rowe. In November 14, 1996, the couple was blessed with two children. The first one, Michael Joseph Jackson Jr., and Paris Michael Catherine Jackson. The two separated in 1999. He had a third child, Prince Michael Jackson II, from a surrogate mother through artificial insemination. The death of Michael Jackson. Jackson's death was caused by an overdose of propofol, a drug administered by his personal doctor. After 11 years have passed, in 2020, the autopsy results of Michael Jackson's body revealed surprising details about his physical condition at the time of his death. United States Police explained that one dissolved pill was found in Michael Jackson's stomach. This is interesting because the pills usually last 24 hours in the body if a person eats, but Jackson did not consume any food. Another surprising fact is that Jackson's wavy black hair turned out to be a wig used to cover burns on his scalp, resulting from a tragic incident that occurred in 1984. Jackson's hair caught fire in on accident while filming a Pepsi commercial, which caused severe burns to his head and face, forcing her to wear a wig. As a result of the injury, Jackson began taking painkiller, which later developed into an addiction, ultimately leading to his death. Michael Jackson died at the age of 50, at the peak of his career.
As the king of food, he was born August 29, 5800. Gary in Indiana into a humble family. His career began as the lead vocalist of the Jackson 5 along with his brother. After that, the continued his solo career. Success with albums as of the Whale and Taylor, which became the best-selling album of all time. Okay, thank you. If want to ask, you can comment in the comment below. Thank you.